Alright, time to make the sweet purple sweet rice. This is how I do it. First of all, you put the water in the pot right here. This is purple rice, purple sweet rice. I'm going to show you how to make this rice cake out of this. Here the rice, purple rice, go into the bucket right here. Alright, I'm going to show you how to do this. Okay, purple rice go into the bamboo bucket. Right here, that's it. So what I do, clean out the rice just like that, and here ready to go. Okay, time to put the rice in the bucket right here. Time to get into right here. There you go. And here, purple sweet rice. Okay, turn the stove on. Yep, let it cook like 20 minutes of each side. I'll be back. Look at purple rice cook, but halfway. This is the 20 minutes. I have to flip over. I show you how to flip over. That's halfway cooking. Alright. See that? I'm gonna show you how to flip the rice over. That's how you cook another side. Just like that. You gotta know how to flip. You see that? Oh yeah, look at that. Wow. Put that in the pot. Back in the pot now. Do just turn over, make them cook evenly. So that's how we do it. Just the way we cook the rice like that. Okay, turn over like that. Okay, let them cook another 20 minutes because the purple rice take a little longer to cook. Right here, see that? Okay, let the cover. I'm gonna cover, make them steam very good. Cover up. I would say 20 minutes. Okay, the purple rice done. Look at that. Oh my god, look at that. I'm going to show you how to make the rice cake, okay? Okay, there's coconut milk. Go ahead and put it down. I'm going to show you how to make the sugar. Oh yes, coconut milk. See the coconut milk? This is not a can add on because you want a lot of coconut to taste good. So let's put it down here. Okay, this is brown sugar. I use brown sugar for that. I'm gonna put brown sugar in here. Okay, this is brown sugar. I'm gonna dump. This is not that sweet. Brown sugar is balanced. It's just like a not too sweet. It's natural sugar, cane sugar. Put it down. Sea sauce. Put that a little bit, make a taste. Sea sauce. Put it here. Let them cook 1 minute. Then I'll show you next step. More brown sugar. Let's make the sauce. This is the sauce of the rice cake. I'm gonna put the rice in here. Okay, the purple rice and the salt ready. I'm gonna throw it down, okay? Show you how to do it. Okay, pick up the rice, put it here. Look at this, so easy guys. Oh, this is very good and healthy dessert. Very healthy, whole grain, purple rice. Look at that, beautiful. I'll show you how to get it here, okay? Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and finish it up. Throw it down. Pour the purple rice in here, and let's have fun with that. Okay, let's have fun. Come closer. Take a look. This is how I do it. Okay, guys, look. Cook that down. The salt going down, and then after that become rice cake. This is so crazy good with the rice, purple rice, whole grain. This is Halloween dessert. ข้าวกำเด้อข้าวกำมะพร้าวแซ่บมาเด้อมากินเด้อมะพร้าวดีน้ำกันโอเค Okay, now let's cook it down. Okay, let me taste. What's the taste? Oh, gonna be so good. Just taste. So good. Very good. This is Panda leaf. I forgot about Panda leaf. Throw it down together. Oh yes, Panda. See that? Oh, Panda leaf purple rice. ข้าวกำใบเตยมะพร้าวแซ่บขนาดเลยพี่เจ้าดูนี่ง่ายเลย Party Halloween. Okay, let's put in the tray. Look at this. Put in the tray. Oh my God, it's so good. So good. You guys have this purple rice coconut before? If you don't, come on here. See that? Just make it even. Let the cool down, then you can cut piece by piece like the cake size. That's it. So easy. Okay, that's one. Beautiful. This is small tray for mother. Share. You're gonna make this one extra. Everybody have some. Okay. That's one. Just another one. This is last tray for myself. Save it for myself to eat later tomorrow. You can even, drink coffee and eat this cake right here. It's for the coffee. And that's one for me. That's one for my mother. This is for me. So save that for party. Okay, guys. I will show you how to eat later on, okay? This is ripe purple coconut. Look at that. 3 tray. Panda flavor. Oh my God, you guys. If you never have one, you should come here and eat with me. Okay, I'll see you later, okay? Right, see you later. Bye.